Good morning, dear children. I am Rashmi ma'am, your EVS subject teacher. How are you all? I hope you all are all fine and safe at home. Today's thought of the day is do the right things even when no one is looking. Do the right things even when no one is looking. It means you should do the right things all the time, even if you are tempted to do wrong things. You should do the right things all the time, even if you are tempted to do wrong things. That means you should always do the right things. Right things are good and wrong things are bad. मतलब सही काम तब भी करें जब कोई नहीं देख रहा है. Okay, children? Children, today we will start chapter number 7, festivals. We have already studied national days or national festivals. The festivals that are celebrated by the whole nation are called the national festivals like Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. When is Independence Day celebrated, children? Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. And when is Gandhi Jayanti celebrated, children? Yes, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. Today, children, we will study religious festivals. The festivals like Eid, Guru Purab, Diwali, Christmas are called religious festivals. They are called religious festivals because these are celebrated by the people of a particular religion. Right, children? First is Eid. Eid is celebrated by Muslims. It marks the end of holy month of Ramzan. People offer special prayers called namaz at the mosque. They wear new clothes and exchange gifts with each other. They make special sweet called the sevai. Okay, children? And people wish each other Eid Mubarak. Alright, children? So, Eid is celebrated by Muslims. It is celebrated to end a month of fasting called Ramzan. Special prayers called namaz are offered at the mosque. Okay, children? And people wish each other Eid Mubarak. You can see the picture. Next is Guru Purab. Guru Purab is celebrated by the Sikhs. It is the festival of the Gurus. People meet and pray at the Gurudwara. And special meal called langar is served to everyone in Gurudwara. They take out procession to celebrate the festival. Okay, children? It is the festival of the Gurus. It is celebrated by the Sikhs. People meet and pray at Gurudwara. And on this day, food is served to everyone. Right, children? So, Gurudwara is a place of worship for the Sikh people. Like mosque is the place of worship for Muslims. In the same way, Gurudwara is a place of worship for Sikh. Next is Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. I know, children, everybody know it, isn't it? The festival of lights is Diwali. People give sweets and gifts to each other. People light lamps and burst crackers. Diwali is celebrated by Hindus. Diwali is celebrated by Hindus. Now, why is Diwali celebrated? It is celebrated because on Diwali, Lord Ram returned to Ayodhya. So, the people of Ayodhya celebrated this day by burning crackers and lighting diyas and candles. So, in the same way, we also celebrate by decorating our house with diyas and candles. On this day, people wear new clothes and exchange sweets with each other. And children love bursting crackers on this day. But children, you should avoid bursting crackers. Do you know why? Because it causes noise pollution and also air pollution. Okay, children? So, Diwali is known as the festival of lights. People give sweets and gifts to each other and light lamps and burst crackers. And you should avoid bursting crackers because it causes noise pollution and also air pollution. Next is Christmas. Now, Christmas is celebrated by the Christians. Okay? It is celebrated by the Christians. It is the birthday of Lord Jesus Christ. It is celebrated on 25th December. People decorate a Christmas tree, exchange gifts, and prepare special food. They go to the church and offer special prayers also. And they also believe Santa Claus brings gifts for children. Okay, children? So, Christmas is celebrated by the Christians on 25th December. People decorate Christmas tree and special prayers are offered at the church. And they also believe Santa Claus brings gift for children. Alright, children? So, these are the religious festivals we celebrate in our country. I hope this chapter is clear to you, and this is the end of the chapter. Children, read it twice and understand it properly. Okay, children? Now, take out your notebook. We have already finished hard words and fill in the blanks. Today, we will discuss take the correct answer. Question number 1. The day we salute our national flag. The day we salute our national flag. And the options are Republic Day, Diwali. When do we salute our national flag, children? I hope everybody knows the answer, isn't it? So the answer is Republic Day. The day we salute our national flag, and the answer is Republic Day. So you have to just put a tick mark on Republic Day. Number 2. On Eid, people offer special prayers at the church or mosque. On Eid, people offer special prayers at the church or mosque. So the answer is mosque, because mosque is a worship place for Muslims. So on Eid, people offer special prayers at the mosque. Number 3. Sweet dish that is made on Eid. Sweet dish that is made on Eid. Options are Sewai, Dosa. And all of you know the answer? Yes, it is Sewai. Sweet dish that is made on Eid. And the answer is Sewai. You have to just put a tick mark. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August, 2nd October. I know, children, you know it very well, isn't it? We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. Yes, put a tick mark on 15th August. Number 5. People light lamps and burst crackers on Eid, Diwali. All of you know Diwali is the festival of lights. So what will be the answer? People light lamps and burst crackers on Diwali. So you have to put a tick mark on Diwali. Okay, children? So you have to write these in your notebook only for one time. Okay, children? Now, close your notebook and take out your canopy book. Page number 41. All of you, take out your canopy book. Page number 41. At the end of the chapter, there is textual exercise. So children, you have to do it now in your canopy textbook. Alright? Match the festivals with the dates we celebrate them on. There are two columns, A and B, and you have to match column A with column B. Number 1. Christmas. When is Christmas Day celebrated? 25th December. So you have to just match Christmas with 25 December. Number 2. Republic Day. When do we celebrate Republic Day? It is 26 January. Again you have to match Republic Day with 26 January. Number 3. Independence Day. When do we celebrate Independence Day? It is on 15th August. So you have to match Independence Day to 15th August. And number 4. Gandhi Jayanti. When do we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti? 2nd October. So you have to Match Gandhi Jayanti to 2nd October. Okay, children? I hope everybody has marked it properly. Alright? Now the next question. Answer the following questions. Number 1. How is Republic Day celebrated? How is Republic Day celebrated? And the answer is Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. On this day, we salute our national flag and grand parade is held at India Gate in New Delhi. I repeat the answer. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. On this day, we salute our national flag and grand parade is held at India Gate in New Delhi. Alright, children. Question number 2. On which day did India become free from British rule? On which day did India become free from British rule? And the answer is, all of you know it. When did India become an independent country? India became free from British rule on 15th August 1947. And this day is known as Independence Day. Okay, children? So, India became free from British rule on 15th August 1947. Question number 3. When is Eid celebrated? When is Eid celebrated? Eid is celebrated to end a month of fasting called Ramzan. Eid is celebrated to end a month of fasting called Ramzan. Question number 4. Which festival is known as the Festival of the Gurus? कौन सा फेस्टिवल को कहा जाता है फेस्टिवल ऑफ द गुरुज? गुरुपुरब. Gurupurab is known as the festival of the Gurus. What do people do during Diwali? लोग क्या करते हैं दिवाली में? I know everybody knows it. Isn't it, children? Yes, we enjoy during Diwali, isn't it? So, during Diwali, people give sweets and gifts to each other, light lamps and burst crackers. During Diwali, people give sweets and gifts to each other, light lamps and burst crackers. And the last question, when is Christmas celebrated? Christmas कब मनाया जाता है? Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. Okay, children? So, children, write these answers in your Canopy notebook. Alright, children? I hope you all have understood. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.